हाय गाइस। सो इससे बढ़िया जगह नहीं हो सकती थी व्लॉग शुरू करने के लिए। सो अभी हम हैं लंदन में मेरे पीछे है लंदन आई जो आप देख पा रहे हैं ऑलरेडी। यहाँ से हम अपना व्लॉग शुरू कर रहे हैं। लंदन के कुछ स्नैप्स निकालेंगे इवनिंग के, एंड देन उसके बाद में कल सुबह का मेरे पास में पूरा दिन है, तो कल पूरे दिन हम लंदन घूमने वाले हैं। तो चलो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं लंदन साथ में। तो अभी हमारा इवनिंग वाला ट्रिप शुरू होने वाला है शाम को 7:30 बजे। उसके लिए अभी मैं हूँ वेस्टमिनिस्टर मेट्रो स्टेशन पर। यहाँ से टिकट लेके हमें जाना है ग्रीन पार्क। ये रही टिकट मशीन से फटाफट टिकट निकालते हैं ग्रीन पार्क का और फिर चलते हैं अपने पिकअप पॉइंट पे। भाई साहब गजब की महंगी है यहाँ की मेट्रो। मेरे को नेक्स्ट स्टेशन जाना था, नेक्स्ट स्टेशन के लिए ही ये चार्ज कर रहे थे 6.5 यूरो, मतलब 650 रुपये। तो मैं फटाफट से वहाँ से टिकट कैंसिल करी, बुकिंग नहीं करी और सीधा जो है अपने आ गया इधर। यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस के ऊपर ही है। तो फटाफट से चलते हैं ग्रीन पार्क, पहुँचते हैं और फिर वहाँ से अपना टूर शुरू करते हैं। अभी शाम के हो रहे हैं 7। हमारा टूर शुरू होने वाला है 7:30 बजे से। कॉफ़ी शॉप में बैठा हुआ था, तो यहाँ के जो स्टैंडर्ड टाइमिंग है 7 बजे पूरा मार्केट बंद हो जाता है। और अभी हमारे पास आधा घंटा है, थोड़ा वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से। जैसे सिग्नल ग्रीन होता है तो निकलते हैं फटाफट से। तब तक आप एंजॉय कीजिए लंदन के व्यूज़। आई थिंक हमारी बस ऑलरेडी रेडी है, टिकट हमारे पास रेडी है, बस ये खड़ी हुई है। हियर इज़ द बस। अभी इसी में सवारी करेंगे, इसी में चलते हैं और फिर करवाता हूँ आप सब लोग को लंदन की सवारी। ओके सही है, हम एकदम खुली हवा में, सीट्स वगैरह लगी हुई है और अब मज़े करेंगे। मैं उससे पहले आपको दिखाता हूँ कि क्या क्या साइट्स जो है हम विज़िट करने वाले हैं। सो ये मैप दिया है उन्होंने कुछ, यहाँ पर इनके स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स हैं। टोटल हम 17 पॉइंट्स कवर करने वाले हैं। उसमें से कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो काफ़ी फेमस हैं, कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो मैंने नहीं सुने हैं। एंड चलो एंजॉय करते हैं।
Every day, that song's on the radio every 5 minutes of December. It has. So Christmas displays to your left at Harvey Nicks. This year we have 70s disco. That's one of my nicknames. to your left, Natural History Museum here in South Kensington. Above the arches up to your left, you've got Sabertooth Tiger. Do you think you saw this? People, there's a load of multi-millionaires in Belgravia. People do the weekly food shop. You can buy jewellery, you can buy cars, you can buy property, you can buy perfume, you can buy clothes, you can buy cocaine until 1916. But they stopped that in the First World War because it's playing havoc with the war effort. Same year, the moustache stopped being obligatory in the army. Sure, there's a connection. Christmas displays to your right, Harrods. 12,000 light bulbs. I learnt a new fact this year. Nearly 12,000 light bulbs. Someone abseils down the small detail of French history. Wellington used it, you're confused, he used it to hang up his hat and coat. That's not a joke, it's actually true. It's true. You want to see Napoleon and his grand apartment? Go inside Absolute House to your left. This is Park Lane, once Wonderland in Hyde Park. Eat some expensive kebabs, put yourself upside down, see what happens. That guy. Eisenhower won the Second World War, the other guy won the Third World War, and the other Curzon Street to your left. I saw half the Who, the living half in Hyde Park. Keith Moon, Gun Corps Memorial for the First World War. Wellington, capital of New Zealand. New Zealand War Memorial, black metal plinths to the lights to your right. Southern Cross Formation, Marrow Designs. Great columns ahead. Bomber Command Memorial for the Second World War. 55,000 men. Ahead to your right, after the lights, Mother Church of the Catholic Church of England and Wales. Westminster Catholic Cathedral, beautiful early 20th century Byzantine style. Boris Johnson, I think he was 2 Prime Ministers ago, but I can't keep up. We keep having new Prime Ministers. Married for 73 years, died last year at 99. Diana, Princess of Wales, not buried in London, but her funeral was here in 97. So look behind the take a selfie. And then ahead to your left, if you prefer, the pink London Eye, lit up in red as a big red puppy on Remembrance Sunday, a week and a half ago, remembering our war dead. It's supposed to last for, it's half an hour for a spin. The London Eye is supposed to last for 5 years for the Millennium celebrations from 2000. It's actually lasted 22 years, so it's probably safe. River Thames, no river, no London. A red tinge on the river wall down to your right by St Thomas's Hospital, and that's the COVID memorial wall. 177,000 we replace them with fish. London Aquarium. Maybe you're hungry at the aquarium. 3 sushi restaurants and fish and chip shop. The signs ahead to your left. See the Lion Park sign to your left? Park your lion here. Big Ben and the London Eye. Get cameras, zoom in, slightly behind, left hand side. Get ready now, very, very quick. Ben is great, but now to your left. Big Ben and the London Eye. Now. Couldn't see that for 4 years. Now, this is a bomb site, the South Bank, till 1951. Remember we cheered up with the Festival of Britain, all these lovely bright cheerful grey concrete brutalist 50s concrete brutalist cheerful grey buildings. Cameras ready. After these on the left, you'll see what you've already seen. The city of Westminster. CGI out there doing a 1.5 years worth of gigs at the Olympic Park in East London. Which was CGI. That sounds mad. It's Google. Up to you. Now down to your right, just by the bus stop, Mr. Nehru, who studied in Harrow, northwest London, first Prime Minister of India, down to your right. And look at the colours of the Indian flag lighting up the Indian High Commission. This is beautiful. Taj Mahal up to your right after the flagpole. The road in the area, we know this as Aldwych, the Danish Viking settlement 1,000 years ago. Behind us, the city. Oi, give it back! Get lost. Splendid. Now, in the Second World War, we lost the third of the city. Diagonally ahead to your left. When I say quick, I mean quick. There's a Christmas ribbon ahead to your left. There you go. Can you blink? Oh, okay, we'll drive across. Tower Bridge. It's a big anniversary in a few weeks' time. Christmas 1952. The number 78 bus is driving across Tower Bridge the other way. The bridge starts to open and the gates don't work. What's the driver going to do? Roll back and crush the cars behind? No, split second thinking. His half of the bridge is slightly higher than the other side. Head onto the metal. Hang on a minute. Let's go back a bit. Have you ever tried accelerating uphill in a diesel bus built in the 1940s? Bridge in town. People say, where is the old bridge? This is the newest place for a road bridge in town. It's been there 140 years. London Bridge has been there 2,000 years. They added a new glass floor about 7 years ago. On the top walkway, look above you. So you can go up inside, walk on the glass floor, see the bridge lift underneath you. Head for height. So wear trousers, for goodness sake. That's what a man with a kilt was in my bus tour the other day. People can see underneath. You might want to look behind and take a selfie for a few seconds. Let's review Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is named after and displaying them. Yeah. The crown jewels. Get a guided tour from the Beefeaters, who are dressed in red and black. They live and work here. Real Guardians of they're retired military after 22 years in the forces, those men and women. Real Guardians of the town, big blackbirds called Off Lights. A few memorials around here. You go and explore it first. Nice to see. Good idea. If you've got an alcoholic surgeon cutting you open, would you rather A, a functioning alcoholic with a bottle of gin for breakfast, B, a man with withdrawal symptoms whose wobbly hands cut you?
डेढ़ घंटे का पूरा टूर था और 1.5 घंटे में भाई ने पूरा लंदन घुमाया। इस की जो टिकट है, टिकट थी 22 पाउंड की, मतलब 2200 रुपये इंडियन करेंसी के हिसाब से बात करें तो। बट वर्थ था एक रुपया, बिकॉज सारे म्यूज़ियम दिखाए और जो व्यू था बाहर से लाइक ओपन, आप सिटी के अंदर घूम रहे हो तो दैट इज़ वर्थ इट। सो आई विल रिकमेंड एवरीबडी कि आप आओ और यहाँ पे ये वाली बस सर्विस ले लो।
Except for the one next door.
Hey, thank you so much. You are amazing.